Hi guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Sunny Jade. If you're new here, I hope you're good. Today I'm going to be showing you my everyday makeup and hair routine, which I do to get ready real quick in under 10 minutes. This is a super easy and quick routine that anyone can follow, and it's going to have you looking ready and looking good for whatever you've got to do in the day. Alright, so I'm getting ready for work right now. I've just done a workout and I've had a shower. And as you can see, my hair is a mess, but I'm going to start by putting some moisturizer on my face, followed by some primer. Now because we're going to be doing our makeup really quick, it's important to prep your face because this is going to make sure that it's going to stay on, because we've not got time to do loads of setting and different powders and stuff like that. So make sure your face is prepped. Cool. Next, straight onto the brows. Alright, sorry, we are zoomed in now. So, starting with brows, any everyday look, you've got to have neat looking brows. So, nothing too fancy, we're just going to go in quick and fill in any areas of the hair, really light, that are not filled in, and I'm just doing really light quick strokes like this just to give it a neat shape. Even if you haven't done your brows or you haven't had them done in ages, you can do this and it's just going to neaten them up so that they look nice and fresh. Brows just make your natural look so much better. Normally I tint my brows anyway so that I don't have to spend as long penciling them in, but I haven't done that in a while, so there we go. Cool. Okay, base, nothing too much. We're going to make it really natural. We don't want it to take too much time. Where is my concealer? Okay, so we're just going to go in with concealer just where I've got any blemishes or red marks, just like that, nothing neat or anything. Okay, beauty blender real quick, just dab that in all over the face just to give that natural look. Cool, and any patches again which you want to put a little bit more cover onto, just go in. Now the concealer that you use, you don't want to use a super light one. You want to use one that's similar colour to your skin, because we're just touching it up so that all of your skin colour blends together without having to put on loads of foundation or anything like that, because that's just going to take ages. Okay, going in with a little bit of a lighter concealer now, just to do my under eyes. If you've got a colour corrector, then you can colour correct as well beforehand, but I don't think that I need too much of that today. So just to brighten up the under eyes, but still make sure it looks natural. Okay, next, we need to set all of that. We're not going to go in with any foundation or anything, just because we haven't got time. Go in with the same beauty blender, go under my eyes and set that, because you want to make this last all day, so just make sure you really set the areas that you're most greasy, but you don't need to spend too much time on it because we're not doing any contouring or anything like that. Okay, next, give the skin a little bit of colour, so I'm just going in with a bronzer. I'm just going to dab that all on my cheeks with this nice fluffy brush, up on the forehead. Nothing too much and nothing too neat. We're just giving our cheeks a little bit of colour, no contouring or anything like that. A little bit on the nose. Okay, next, blush. Again, nice and quick with the brush. Using this angled brush, just dipping it in and just putting it on the apples of my cheeks just to give my skin a little bit of colour. nothing crazy. Okay, we're gonna do eyes quickly. Now, if you have time, you can do this. If you don't, then it's completely fine. We're gonna take an angled brush like this, the same one that we use for the eyebrows, and you're gonna go in with a dark brown eyeshadow, and we're just going to do a liner but with an eyeshadow. Nothing much, just like that, just to give a little bit of a winged look but making it natural because we're using a brown. Okay, and the same with the other eye. It, nothing too neat. So that literally took like 15 seconds to do. Okay, mascara. Again, nothing too much. We're not going to be putting lashes on or anything. There's no time for that. Putting that on. If you've got an eyelash curler as well, that is a great tool to make your eyelashes really stand out and you don't have to spend as much time putting on mascara. This is my favourite mascara. It's the L'Oreal telescopic one. It's so easy to put on and it makes your eyelashes so long. The only thing is with this one, it's really old. I've been using it for months, so there's hardly any product left in it, which is why it's taking a little bit longer to put on. But a fresh one of these is literally the best thing ever. You don't even need to put lashes on or anything. So good. Okay, and one little thing which I'm going to do just because I've got time, I'm going to go in with some brow mascara and just sweep over my brows just so they stay in place. I haven't plucked them in so long, I really need to do it because they look a bit of a mess, especially in the middle. But this is just going to make them look a bit more defined, and yeah, it only takes like 10 seconds to do, so again, really quick. You can even just use this without having to fill in your brows beforehand. If you're in such a rush and you don't have time, then this is a really good product to use. Okay, and finally, just to finish the whole look, we're just going to go in with a very clear gloss, something that's really similar to your lip colour, which you can carry in your bag and you can just put on throughout the day. Alright, hair. Now this is the simplest hairstyle that you can ever do. As you can see, my hair is a mess. It's completely greasy and just fluffy at the same time. Alright, so all you need is some hair gel, a brush, preferably one like this. I'll try and find a link to one of these and link it below. These are really good for scraping back your hair, making it nice and neat. And a little bit of water spray if you need to as well. Comb back your hair, and we're going to do a middle part. Nice and quick like that. Okay. And then we're going to put the hair into a bun just at the back of the head. And we're going to use this brush. I'm going to scrape back the hair so that it's nice and neat, and we're going to scrape it back, but you're going to still keep that part in the middle just to give it a little something. It's not as boring. Okay, scrape it back. Doesn't matter what the back looks like because we're going to put it up into a bun in a minute. Okay, take a hairband, put that into a pony at the back. Okay, then we're going to take the hair gel, put that literally all over the hair because we're going for a real neat but quick hairstyle. I feel like you can't go wrong with a nice sleek bun. Smooth all of that down with the hairbrush. Take another hairband, and we're going to put that into a messy bun. That's caught in my ring at the back of your head. Okay, you can do any sort of bun that you want, but I just like to do a messy bun just because it's quicker and easier and it looks good. So that is the finished look. We have done a really quick makeup, really quick sleek looking hair as well. Okay, it's gonna last you all day and you're gonna be looking good for work or school, wherever you're gonna be going, or staying at home, because that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna stay at home and work. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let me know in the comments what you think. I'll link all the products I use below and let me know what other videos you want to see. See you next time.